Okay guys, I just finished putting in all of my projects into the project section so that I could show you the different portfolio layouts. There are 3 new different portfolio layouts. 2 of them are in the full width section and 1 of them is in the regular size section. So first I'm going to go ahead and add a section. Oops, sorry, I'm on a full width section because we are going to do a full width portfolio. Then we're going to have 2 options, carousel or grid. Carousel is new. So I'm going to choose the grid first. I'll show you guys grid first. And just going to give it a title, and we'll just label this Portfolio Grid Layout. And then I'm going to go ahead and select all these. These are my categories. I have to select which categories I want to display. The number of posts, I'm just going to leave it blank because I only have like 15 posts. Title, show title, date, show date, text color, dark or light. Dark is black, light is white. Automatic carousel, if you want the carousel to be automatic or not automatic. The admin label, and then of course you have your CSS ID and CSS class. So we have that all set up now. So I'm going to save. Then I'm going to hit preview changes so we can see what it looks like now. And this is the portfolio grid layout full width, and you can see it looks pretty nice because it takes up the entire page, and each one of these is actually a separate portfolio piece. So when I click through to it, I'm actually clicking through to separate portfolio pieces that can have different skills, different photos, and different text. Okay, let's go back, and now I'm going to add to this underneath another full width section. I'm going to add a full width portfolio again, except this one we're going to label full width WIDTH carousel portfolio, and this one I am going to put in the carousel, and on this one I'm going to make sure to change the text color to light, just because the arrows, if that's not on light, are going to be dark and they're going to be black, and it's going to be very hard to see. So then let's go ahead and save, and we will preview changes. And now you see our carousel one here, which has these arrows, and you can carousel through all of the posts in the portfolio section. And it will keep going all the way through. Even if they hit the end, it'll just go through and back to the beginning. So then you have a carousel full width down there. And then there is one more for the portfolio section, which this one is just you just want to use a regular section because it's not a full width one. And this one is going to be the filterable portfolio. This is going to have tabs on the top so that they can see the tabs, and they can actually click through tabs, and each tab, which is labeled with the section, will show the images for that portfolio. So Just going to go ahead and click all these. And looks like everything's okay. So now I'm going to save, and I'm going to go ahead and go to preview changes. And now we have the portfolio grid full width layout, the carousel full width layout, and the tabbed layout, which, as you can see, allows me to tab through each of these, and then we'll have arrows at the bottom so that they can go through and find all of your ones in each of those sections. Some of these only have one per section, some have multiple ones, and you can set how many display in each section. So that is it for the new portfolio layouts.